Hello everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily fix Wi-Fi issues on your Samsung S25 Plus. So if your phone won't connect to the Wi-Fi, keeps disconnecting or has very slow speeds, follow along with the tutorial for the best solution. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you can try is restarting your phone and router, because a quick restart can refresh your connection and resolve the minor Wi-Fi issues. So how we do that on the phone is basically the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. As for the router, you need to unplug it from power for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and then plug it back in. So if you're still experiencing connection issues after restarting your phone, you can try removing and re-adding the Wi-Fi network, because it may help a lot. So how we do that is we go to the Wi-Fi settings by holding here in the control center, clicking details, and now click on the gear icon on the right, click forget, and now try the same network. Here you need to enter your password, and now, as you guys can see, we are back on the Wi-Fi. Now, if it still did not help, you may need to turn off power saving mode, because it can limit Wi-Fi connectivity to save battery. So how we do that is we go to settings. Now we need to go to the device care, and here click on battery. Now make sure that the power saving here is turned off. And now check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable again. So if it still did not help, we need to check for software updates, because Wi-Fi problems can be sometimes caused by the software bugs. So updating your phone might fix those issues. And how we do that is we scroll down until we see software update almost at the bottom. Now click here and click on download and install. And make sure that you are running the latest update, just like me. And if it still did not help, what you can try is resetting network settings. So we go here, we go to general management now, and now click reset and scroll down until you see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now, as you guys can see, the settings are reset. And now this will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, so you will need to reconnect to networks. So first, what you can try is changing the Wi-Fi settings. Let me enter the password once again. And now what we can try is changing the DNS, which is the domain name server. And how we do that is we basically go to settings. Now we need to go to connections at the top and select Wi-Fi. Here what we need to do is tap the settings icon next to the network. And now here click view more. Now go to IP settings, select static, but make sure to change the DNSs like 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. These are both Google DNSs. And if it still did not help, what you can try is factory reset your phone as the last resort. So first, go to settings, go to general management, and now click reset. Here, scroll all the way down until you see factory data reset, and now scroll down, click reset, click delete all, and now what you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to reset your phone. But remember to back up your data first, because this will erase everything on the device. So if your Samsung had Wi-Fi problems, one of these fixes should have helped. Let me know in the comments if it did, and if you have any other issues. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.